Alright, this is the video for shooting the guns after our arsenal video. So we got one. We're gonna shoot a few BBs out of each gun, and then at the end we'll go check out the box. So here's the AGM VSR-10. This is 475 FPS. Alright, I'm gonna shoot one more. The clip broke, so I have to load it one BB individually. Here's the second shot. Alright, so they're both hits. Now, next gun, I'll just shoot all of them. Next gun is the Remington TAC-1, and this is like 350 FPS. So, I think this is cocked. Yeah. That should be enough. I only hit 3 of them there. This thing likes to jump. Okay, next is Colt 1911. Alright. Here we go. 315 FPS. Yeah, safety. Got it. I would say this target's about 20 yards. Okay, next is the mini Uzi. It's out. Here's the AUG. And by the way, this used to be clear. We just spray painted it. And last but not least, definitely not least, the AK. And he has to go get all his crap on.
Go full auto.
Okay, so let's go check out the box. Okay. Oh, seriously. Okay, well, yeah, most of those guns at this range won't puncture the box because most of them are kind of cheap. The ones that really actually went into it were all the big guns, the shotgun, the AK, and the AGM VSR-10. Alright, thank you for watching.
I like my
See you next time.